Hello, welcome to TechSharmith. In this session, we will cover the further values for the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. And here you can see that we have declared few variables. So these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website. And below to that, we are using the command. So once your variable declaration is done, you can directly write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. Now on this screen, we are supposed to pass two fields. First one is the value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold the output. So this is the variable that we have already declared, and this is the value that we are going to retrieve from the system. To know more about this value, you can press F1 on this field. So once you press F1, you will be reached to this help screen. There you will find all the possible values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. Now and with their description. So these are the values that we have already discussed. So I'm now taking you to the value that we are going to discuss today. So this is the value that we are going to discuss, which is QJOBMSGQTL, which is maximum size of job message queue in KB. The operating system no longer uses this value. Changes made to the system value have no effect. It means now the system is not going to use this value anymore. Second one is the QJOBSPLA, which is initial size of spooling control block for the job in bytes. The operating system no longer uses this system value. Changes made to the system value have no effect. So this is also, system is also not going to use this value. But at least we should be aware of what all possible values are there that we can retrieve from the system. Okay. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QKBDBUF, which means keyboard buffer. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time someone logs in. So what are the possible values for this outcome? Possible outcome are star no means turn off the type ahead feature and the attention key buffering option. Second is star type ahead, which means turn on the type ahead feature but turn off the attention key buffering option. Third one is star yes, means turn on the type ahead feature and the attention key buffering option. So this is how we will get to know about the description of each and every value that we can retrieve from the system from this help screen. Now just simply copy the field name or the value name which you want to retrieve and just paste it here along with the variable where we will hold the output. Likewise, I'm doing it for the other two values. So I just simply write RTVSYSVAL and just keep the value name and the variable. So once these three values got executed, we will be able to print the value. So because we got the values in the respective variables. So for printing, I'm using sndpgmsg command. Inside that you can see that I'm passing one numeric value. So it is mandatory for sndpgmsg that it will take only character value. That's why we are converting it to character using %char. So once it is converted, we will be able to print it. Similarly, the second value is also decimal, so I'm again converting it to %char. And then the third value is already of type character, so I'm just printing it here. So you can see that we are directly passing this variable. So yeah, so once these three values got printed, we will see the output. So let's try to compile it and see the output. I'm compiling it. So it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this. So the first output we got is 24, second is 3156, and third one is star type ahead. So this is how we can utilize the RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope it is clear to all of you. We will discuss next topic in the upcoming session. So thank you for watching TechSharmith.